First, drop the brake and connect it to the electricity. 308, yellow, green and red power supply are fire lines. Blue is the zero line and black is the ground line. Then connect the wire and pull at the brake. I sent it. Close the circuit breaker. Then turn on the phone button. Laser button. This is the power line and this is the signal line of POS machine. That's great. The button to send the driver opens. Turn on the gas. Argon is recommended. Add iron before drying. Generally, what we often use is scanning with and laser power. Adjust in the process library. Scan with 3, adjust it to 3.5. OK, import save return. Then adjust the laser power. It's in the process library. The power is changed to 800. OK, import save return. Switch double wire feed, now we use single wire feed. Replace it with a double feed screw and unscrew it. No! Then bring in the V-Stinger tube tin with 2 peaks and 2 peaks. Hold it up with a piece of silk. Let me see. Let me see. This, me. Then this way. You guys, he said we get a refund. Put this silk here with an inner hexagon. Twisted it off. Then this one. It's over. What's the problem? Why? That's true. Then you don't care what it is. He owes me 2,000. Replace the wire feed tube of double wire. I'm on my side. Network work. There's no no. It's over. We add. The network department is optimizing the collusion network. That. Fix it tightly with the inner hexagon. A double wire will switch.